Ladies and gentlemen, fellow South Africans, today I stand before you as the president of the African Economic Freedom Party, a new political organization dedicated to restoring economic freedom to its rightful hands, South Africans in general, and black people in particular. Our mission is to ensure that every South African has the opportunity to thrive and contribute to our nation's prosperity. South Africa has always been a welcoming nation, embracing diversity and fostering unity. However, we must ensure that our borders are secure and that those who reside within our country do so legally. We will strengthen our border controls to monitor and manage the flow of people into our nation. Those who are not permitted to be here must return to their countries of origin. This is not an act of hostility, but a necessary step to maintain order and security. The spirit of starting and growing business is the backbone of our economy. Both South African citizens and foreign nations contribute to this vibrant sector. However, we must ensure that all business operate within the legal framework and follow our rules. Municipalities must be tasked with conducting regular inspection of all stores to ensure compliance with health and safety regulations. Factories will also be subject to strict inspection to guarantee the quality and safety of their products. It has come to our attention that some individuals are selling harmful snacks, particular to our children in schools. This practice is unacceptable and will not be tolerated. We will implement strict measures to punish those who endanger the health of our young ones. Additionally, the sale of expired food is a clear indication of the failure of municipalities to monitor stores effectively. We will hold municipalities accountable and ensure they fulfill their responsibilities to protect our citizens. It is sad to see that the Premier is now performing tasks that should be handled by municipalities. This is a clear sign of inefficiency and lack of accountability at the local level. We will implement reforms to ensure that municipalities are equipped and motivated to perform their duties effectively. Our goal is to create a system where local government is strong, responsive, and accountable to the people. Finally, together, we can build a South Africa that is safe, prosperous, and united. Let us work hand in hand to achieve these goals and create a brighter future to all. Let us remember that our strength lies in our unity, our resilience, and our shared vision for a better tomorrow. I thank you.